making some garden flower pots made out of cupcakes and pudding and a bunch of other really good stuff. So what we did first was we went ahead and baked our cupcakes ahead of time. We just happened to use the regular milk chocolate, super moist, follow the instructions, and get your cupcakes ready. And then we also made our pudding in advance, so it's well and ready to go.
And we have here some crushed up Oreos, and we have some grass, which is just coconut that's colored green, and then we have our worms.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start by filling up what are going to be our dirt cups. We happen to find these really awesome little flower pots, so we just cleaned them out. They don't have any holes in the bottom, so nothing will leak out. But regular cups will work just fine.
And you want to kind of fill it up like as much as to the top as you can, that way so you're not left with some empty space. And then we're going to go ahead and start sprinkling our dirt over our cupcake, over our cups. And it's going to get a little messy, so don't mind that. And then there's our little dirt cups. And then we're going to put some worms sticking out of our dirt cups. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start frosting our cupcakes. I don't think it really matters what color or what flavor frosting you get, just as long as you're able to stick your grass on top. And then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle our grass, which is our shredded coconut. And it would be a lot easier if you just dumped your coconut out onto into a bowl. That way, so you can just dump your cupcake with the frosting in it, so it just gets all over. And we went ahead and pre-made a hole into the side of our cupcake, so we can stick our popsicle through. And you can also use, if you wanted to keep like the whole thing edible, you can use a pretzel stick, one of like the really thick pretzel sticks. And then you just stick it in there, and those are our flower cups.